This is problem 50 from the review work for our exam 4 that's coming up, I guess, isn't it? This is a rational equation, but it's the special circumstance of a rational equation that we call a proportion. Remember, a proportion is a single fraction set equal to a single fraction. And when we have that, we can use the cross multiplication technique to solve this problem. So we put an X there to help us remember what we're doing with cross multiplication. We're going to multiply the numerator of this fraction times the denominator of this fraction. And set that equal to the numerator of this fraction times the denominator of this fraction. And this cross multiplication can only be done when we have a proportion. And a proportion is a single fraction, no other terms, just a single fraction, equals a single fraction, no other terms. If you have that, you have a proportion, you can solve it by cross multiplying. You take the cross products, set them equal to each other, creating a new equation to solve. And this looks like it's just a nice linear equation for us to solve. We multiply through, we'll have 10x minus 40 equals 9x plus 12. If I subtract 9x from both sides, I get x minus 40 equals 12. If I add 40 to both sides, I get x equals 52. Remember, when we deal with rational equations, we have to be concerned about the restrictions on x. We have to be concerned about those values of x that would make the denominator become 0. And 52 would not do that in either denominator that we have. So we don't have to worry about our answer that we've found being one of the restrictions. We would, of course, have to test it as usual to see if indeed it was the correct solution.